There are two types of variable, namely qualitative variable and quantitative variable. Qualitative variable is a variable that is measured on non-numerical scale. It is a variable that gives categorical response. On the other hand, quantitative variable is a variable that is measured on numerical scale. It is a variable that gives numerical response. Quantitative variables are divided into two categories, namely discrete and continuous. Discrete variable is the quantitative variable that is countable and takes integer value, while continuous variable is the quantitative variable that is uncountable and takes decimal value. All variables have their own level of measurement. A measurement of a variable could be nominal, ordinal, interval, or ratio. Nominal is for a qualitative variable only. It is for variable about which the observation cannot be arranged and ranked. Ordinal is for both qualitative and quantitative variable. It is for variable about which the observation can be arranged and ranked, but the differences between the observation values are not meaningful. Interval is for a quantitative variable only. It is for variable about which the observation can be arranged and ranked. The differences between the observation values are meaningful, but the multiplication and the division of the observation values are not meaningful. Also, for variable with interval level of measurement, zero observation value does not mean none. Ratio is for a quantitative variable only. It is for variable about which the observation can be arranged and ranked. The differences between the observation values are meaningful, and the multiplication and the division of the observation values are meaningful. Also, for variable with ratio level of measurement, zero observation value means none. Now let's look at types of data. There are two types of data, namely qualitative data and quantitative data. Qualitative data is simply data that is collected on qualitative variables, while quantitative data is simply data that is collected on quantitative variables. Data can be obtained primarily or secondarily. Primary data is the data which is collected first-hand specially for the purpose of study. It is the original data collected by researcher. Secondary data is the data that have been already collected by other people and readily available from other sources.